Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zaz and Tarot Space. So in today's reading we will see what the month of April 2023 holds for Leo natives. Let us first shuffle and get your cards out, and then we proceed to the reading. Okay. And four more cards. One, two, three, four. Okay. Let us take a look at your cards, Leo. Your first card is the Queen of Cups. Beautiful energies. Queen of Cups brings in beautiful emotions, wisdom, sensitivity, an ability to feel an environment where you will feel loved. You will also feel sensitive. You will feel you can connect to people and people are connecting to you. Three of Wands. Okay. Beautiful card for new opportunities, exploratory opportunities, a possibility to explore things, plan things for the future, especially in terms of work, business, financial growth, even how you want to plan your life in the future. Maybe, think it through till the end. So in April, you will be looking at how you want to plan out your life over the various years, coming years and decades. So that plus how you want to grow your funds and your work. Good, very good positive energy for work, career, business, whatever work you're into. Your last card for the general, Temperance. Okay, Temperance card coming up. So an energy where on the one hand we have Queen of Cups, on the other hand we have the Temperance card here. So where Queen of Cups brings a lot of emotional wisdom and insight for you in this month. And also the Queen of Cups creates an environment of love and understanding around you. There, on the other hand, I see balance, stability, an environment of trying to temper things, trying to find the midpoint, not running into extremes. It's an interesting mix here. Let us also look at what your inner world will be like, how you will be feeling, thinking, emoting, okay, your state of mind, etc. Isolation card. Now this is getting really interesting, okay. The Queen of Cups, Temperance, and then Isolation. Complete contrasting energies, okay. Where we have extremely emotional, vulnerable, understanding and wisdom and ability to feel sensitively, there we have a cold-hearted feeling resulting of, as a result of some kind of hurt. So when we really assemble the cards here, I see that you will also be feeling sensitive, and the slightest of misunderstandings will be enough to trigger you to an extreme point of sensitivity. So misunderstandings, miscommunication, some words to hurt you, these are the things which are likely to crop up in April 2023 for you. And in this coming month, you will not take it lightly. You will really take it to heart, and then you would want to probably go into a shell of your own and feel the pain. In fact, it is also possible that you will say that, okay, I'm not going to feel the pain. That will be an even worse situation, which is quite the possibility with this card, where you will be hurting and you will say, no, I will not let myself hurt. I will not allow this to hurt me. I will not allow whatever has been said to me or done to me to hurt me. I will not allow it to hurt me. And you will just kind of isolate yourself and make yourself cold. So very contrasting things happening in April 23. The next card is integration. So this is again Temperance here and integration here, which is, I can see that you will really need to balance things externally as well as internally. Externally, in your environment, I see a need for balance. I see that circumstances will be such, circumstances could be balanced, and they will also require that you be balanced, and you will stay balanced, which is interesting, because what I see happening here is that in order to stay balanced, you may actually shun that part of you which may actually be wanting to cry it out. Okay? And that is not good for your health. So you need to be careful about that. Your last card in this section is the experiencing card. Now again, huge contrast here, where you are enjoying life even in your heart, deep within, just enjoying every moment and living it to the fullest. There you are also suppressing the hurt. Okay, now the next card we're gonna look at is your oracle card, and which for you is the chameleon spirit. Act as if. Now this is a very nice card and a very colorful card, because when this card comes up, it says that just as the chameleon blends itself into its environment by taking on the color of its environment, this card says that you too can do it. And I see that April 2023, this month will really give you the opportunity to blend into your environment, to blend into the people around you. And that is why probably we see so many of temperance cards here. You will really want to kind of not stand out, but simply, uh, merge into the people around you. And you will do it with a lot of wisdom. Just be careful to either not be so sensitive, or else even if something happens and you're sensitive to it, then not to lock yourself out from whatever pain you feel as a result of the possible misunderstandings and miscommunications or verbal exchange that you have. Okay, now we're gonna pull up cards for different areas of your life. The first card we're gonna pull up is for how you will be perceived as by people around you, by the world, how your personality will be viewed. And for that, you have picked up the Hermit card. Okay, not really surprising. So this one is coming through. Even though there's a happy part of you, a part of you feeling happy, but somehow, interestingly, that part of you which you are trying to suppress, which is feeling depressed and low and wants to cry it out, that is the part which people will be able to perceive. As they say, what you resist persists. So, whatever you're resisting here is exactly what people will be able to perceive, and they will feel that you really want to be left to yourself. You want to go in, think it through, really kind of be with yourself. You're feeling introverted. You want to spend time with yourself. That is what people will think about you in the coming month. The next card we're going to pull up for is for your career, and that's the Five of Wands. Now this is again a mixed card. The positive being that there will be opportunities for teamwork, for progress, for working towards success by collaborating with your peers or your team members. The tricky part is that some may collaborate, some may cooperate, some may not want to. Now you'll have to kind of find a way to just go on despite the non-cooperations as well. So a mixed card in terms of work, career, business, etc. Next card that we're going to pull out for is your love life, Knight of Swords. Oh my God, this is where it is stemming from, the isolation. Okay, so it is with your, unfortunately, I'm sorry to say, it is with your spouse or your partner that you are likely. It is not all negative. So the positive part is that you could be, you guys could be really very motivated, very high, very intellectually stimulated, like really kind of on the same page, kind of, eager and, how should I put it? Stimulating each other mentally, intellectually, enjoying lovely long conversations. The issue with this card is that the energy will change like this. Okay, so one moment you guys are engrossed in a deep, beautiful conversation, intellectually stimulating conversation, maybe about books, about legal matters, about these interesting things. And suddenly the next moment, before you know it, you end up in a completely different scenario, hurling verbal not niceties at each other. And before you know it, turns into a quarrel. So yeah, in terms of love life, it's an up and down, positive, negative, unstable energy, which could lead to this. Okay, so this is something we need to be watchful about in this month. Now, the next card, the last card, is for finances. Let us see what finances will be like for Leo. Nine of Pentacles. What a beautiful card for you. Fantastic finances. Whatever you have sown in the past, you will reap. Anything that you want to sow now, you can. Investments that you've made in the past, investments that you want to, everything, all your finances will bloom. So fantastic card for that. And your last card that we will pull out, Leo, is a divine guidance about how you can handle this month, how you should approach this month, how can you make it better. And for that, you've pulled up the big blue stem card. Okay. Shelter. How can I be of service? So somewhere the divine is guiding you to provide shelter to the other, to think how you can help the other. So, interesting guidance. And this is your month, Leo. Beautiful cards. Just one part is a little tricky. Other than that, they are reasonably good cards. Stay happy, stay sensitive, and don't be scared to feel the pain. All the best, Leo. Do take care of yourselves. We will meet again in another video. Bye-bye.